Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've already got cables and power ready. Now start Windows. First, make sure the second monitor is connected and powered. Then open Settings and go straight to System right arrow Display. Alternatively, press Windows key plus I to open Settings fast. If Windows doesn't show the new screen right away, click Detect to force a hardware scan. Once done, you'll see numbered rectangles representing each display. That's where you'll begin assigning the primary screen. With the displays visible, click Identify so you know which number is which. The number briefly appears on the corresponding screen. Next, select the rectangle for the second monitor, the one you want as primary, and check the box labeled Make this my main display. Windows moves the taskbar and default apps to that monitor. Before finishing, confirm resolution and scale settings, match the panel for sharp text and correct layout, then press Apply to save the change. After applying, check that the taskbar and start menu appear on your new primary monitor and open a few apps to confirm defaults follow. If the screens are misaligned, drag the display rectangles in settings so mouse movement matches physical placement. This matters for seamless cursor travel. Finally, if the second monitor won't become primary or behaves oddly, make sure connections are secure, update your graphics drivers, and reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.